Hi everyone, my name is Zena. I'm the editorial director at Hum, here to do our monthly giveaway. And this month we're talking all about stress, starting the new year addressing the most important thing I think for everyone. In case you haven't seen, this month we launched a brand new product. It is called Calm Sweet Calm. These are vegan gummies to help your body better manage stress. So the key ingredient in these is ashwagandha. Say it with me, ashwagandha. I love saying that word. That is an important adaptogen, which just means that it helps your body to better cope with the effects of stress. And there's also Ltheanine in here, which is an ingredient that is found in green tea. It has calming effects as well. So those two pair really nicely together to just help your body better manage stress. To use this product, you just take 2 gummies a day. They are sour cherried flavor, so you will look forward to taking them every day. And they're also, as I said, vegan gummies, really key. Something that's really unique about this product is we use a very concentrated form of ashwagandha. So that's something that not everybody knows to look for in their gummies, but the active ingredients can come in different forms that are more or less concentrated. And this one, we really want to make sure we use a super concentrated version that you could pack into just 2 gummies instead of having to take like a whole bottle. I really love these because I used to put ashwagandha in my morning matcha lattes, and it is a very bitter herb. So it's very beneficial. There's so much great research about how it supports your body against stress, but it is super bitter tasting. And I was amazed when I tried these that they're not bitter at all. They did a really great job of just making them taste sweet. You would never know that ashwagandha is such a bitter herb from taking these, so that is great. Our monthly vitamin subscribers will be receiving a sample of Calm Sweet Calm with their orders this month, so that's very exciting. They're also going to be getting a 3-month subscription to Breathe, which is a meditation app we partnered with. We have an article by their founder on our blog, we'll link it below. And they're also gonna get this great little magazine, which has inside this great poster full of tips about things you can do for stress relief, including surrounding yourself with plants, as I have clearly done here. As part of our partnership with Breathe, we also created this really fun online game, which we will also link below for you. And if you go to the link, play it, there's actually a chance to win a 3-month supply of Calm Sweet Calm. So we will include that below. Go check it out. It's really fun. It's just like a nice way to unplug and de-stress online. Last but not least, for all of you watching, we're gonna give you another chance to win a 3-month supply of Calm Sweet Calm. So 2 ways to enter, really great. For here, all you're gonna do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below with one way that you practice stress relief, and we will pick a winner at the end of the month to send 3 bottles of Calm Sweet Calm. And if you don't win there, you can also go to our game and try that for another chance to win. What do you know? And that is it for me, friends. Wishing you all a happy, much less stressful 2021. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.